Hello friends, welcome to Apni Extra Class. Today's story is The Power of Saying Thank You. Ritika was a cheerful schoolgirl who always greeted others with a smile. One morning, while getting on the school bus, she accidentally dropped her water bottle. The bus driver quickly picked it up and handed it to her. She smiled and said, "Thank you, uncle." The driver replied, "Nobody says that anymore. You made my day." From that moment, Ritika made it a habit to thank everyone who helped her, her teachers, classmates, the guard, and even the canteen staff. Soon, her classmates started doing the same. The school atmosphere became more positive, and everyone felt more appreciated. Moral of the story: never underestimate the power of kind words. A simple thank you can brighten someone's day. Today we learn 10 vocabulary word that is cheerful, happy and positive, accidentally, by mistake, or without planning. Handed, gave something using your hand. Habit, something you do regularly. Appreciated, feeling valued or respected, greeted, welcomed or said hello. Atmosphere, the feeling or mood of a place, positive, full of good energy. Underestimate, think something is less important than it is. Brighten, to make something happier or lighter. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Apni Extra Class.